that we stopped. So we'll be looking at five. Hope we can do as much as we can today before we move to another thing. So there was a question that was asked on there was a comment, a question about the alien number, like I said last time. And the question was, there is no alien number on your approved I-97, maybe for your EB1A or EB2NIW. The person's question is not correct. The beneficiary number is the same as your alien number. If you have your green card, you can compare the beneficiary number and the alien number, and if it's not correct, let me know, right? So let's move on. So today, application type or filling category. That's what we'll be doing today. So like I have for the last video, we have already filled maybe template for some of the fields. So it says the first question is, are you filling for adjustment of status with Executive Office for Immigration Review? Why in the mobile? Most people that don't have issues will click no. But if your case would be yes, well, you could follow the instruction manual. I provided the link to that last time. So that will help you clarify things with that option. Number two, it said receipt number of underlying petition. So if you are not doing concurrent filing, you will not have a receipt number, right? That is, you want to submit your I-140 and the I-485 together alongside your I-693. But if you have submitted your I-140 and you received notification, or maybe you've gotten your approval notification, your receipt number would have been provided. So the receipt number on the notification is what you insert in this box. Similarly, the priority date for you, everybody have a priority date. So there's no petitioner that has not been allotted a priority date. So you will see your priority date on the receipt number as well, right? Then I am filing this form I-485 as a select which one that is applicable. So you as the primary applicant, that is the petitioner, will be the principal applicant. If your spouse or children are filing with you, there will be the derivative. So whichever one applies to you and your derivative, you should tick the right box, right? Then the principal applicant, that is the petitioner, right? This is just on a field we put AD as we've been doing from the last video. Then the principal applicant, area number, like I said earlier on, if you want to get it, you can check your approval notification. You can go on USCIS online portal. These are ways you can get it, all right? So the aspiration, your date of birth, right? And you know what day and what year you were born. So you put the right figure there. Now, I am applying based on the following category. You must select only one category if you are filing as a derivative applicant. Select the appropriate box based on the category under which the principal applicant is applying or has applied. See the form I-485 instruction for more information. So like I've always been saying, I am not a lawyer. I am a business analyst, but I can provide you answers to how you can go about filing this, right? So in the instruction manual, you have a load of information that you can use to help yourself, right? So since we are looking at employment-based petition, we're going to skip 3A. That means we're going to another page. We skip in, so we come to 3B. All right, so there are two categories for which uh, self-petition account, self-petition. I don't know if that would make sense. So we have just two, which is EB2NIW and EB1A, the fourth category, which is alien of extraordinary ability, right? So if it applies to you that you're filing alien of extraordinary ability, which is EB1A, you tick this box. If you are filing or you're processing NIW EB2, let me try and find out. All right, an alien, this one, this is what you tick. Wait, I think, am I correct? Let me be sure. An alien applying for national interest waiver who is a member of the professional holding an advanced degree of an alien exceptional ability. Yes, this is the one to take. All right. Wait. Member of a professional holding an advanced degree or alien of exceptional ability who is not seeking national interest waiver. All right. So this is the one you take. Now, if you're applying through maybe your employer, oh, I can't take out. Oh, this is the problem. Anyway, so this is one you pick. You pick the area of extraordinary ability, the first box, and you tick that. Oh, it's working now. All right. But if you fell in through your maybe your employer, then this is the box for you, right? But just know that either this alien of extraordinary ability or alien applying for national interest waiver. This is the one, right? So you can see NIW is clearly stated here. There's no NIW here, and it says not, but you are, right? Okay, let's move on. And I'm adjusted on the basis of a form I-140 self petition, not applicable. All right, not applicable. I am adjusted on the basis of a form I-140 self petition. So since you are the derivative, you will not be applying on basis of I-140. So if the petitioner is applying, yeah, it will be the one filing for I-140, right? So this answer is no. I am adjusting on the basis of a form I-140 self. That is not applicable, right? Now, 3C, we ignore that. Then we'll move to the other page and see, actually, these are different category of this. I mean, different route you can get a green card in the United States. So, actually, human trafficking special program, I don't know. So these are not what we should bother ourselves, right? So move to number 4. It said, if you selected family base, since you did not select family base, right, you can tick no. All right. Are you 21 years age or older and applying for adjustment based on qualification as a child? The answer is no. All right. So let's go to the next page. The next page is I think we started part 3, right? So request for exemption for intended immigrant affidavit of support under section 213A of INA. All right. All right. Those are code applicable to USA. These are codes or enacted code used to clarify what each category that you can benefit from USI is, right? So it says, I am requesting an exemption from submitting an affidavit of support under the section 213A of INA from I-864 or from I-864 EZ, right? Now, the answer you should select if you don't have any issue is none of this exemption applies to me. I'm not required by state laws to submit affidavit of support under section 213A. Now, these are conditions. Maybe there are some things you've done that is not aligning with USCIS rules and regulations. Peradventure, you have a fallout of certain benefits as a maybe a supposedly legal status card holder. So there are things that you have to also fill alongside the I-485. Just like you have I-485, we also have I-485A. Now, there are people that will need to fill that. It is called supplementary list for you to provide reasons why you have committed some maybe offense, right? So we'll stop here and continue in the next video. Thank you.